Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Pemko part number KSA2D kit automatic door bottom mortise. So what this is, kit 4 automatic door bottom mortise. This is the package of hardware that you will get with the Pemko SD series automatic door bottoms. Now this kit includes the fasteners that you're going to need to attach your door bottom to the door. Okay, this is for the This is for the the SA1 or the SA1, 2, 3, or 4 D series, because it's dark bronze. So you're going to get your fasteners for that. Appears to be, something akin to a truss head screw, a very larger than standard round head screw. Overall length of the screw, 1.25 inches. Outside diameter of the threads, it does look like it's a number 8 screw. 0.164. 0.164 is the outside diameter of the threads. You're going to get this plate as well in a couple of small nails. This plate is used, and just for the sake of argument, 2 1/16 by about 1/2 inch. So the premise of the automatic door bottom is that on the hinge side, almost always on the hinge side, there will be a projecting article of the door bottom, and let's call it the drop bolt, and that is constantly projected from the end of the unit. When the door is being pushed closed, that projecting drop bolt will make contact with the frame. That projecting drop bolt has nowhere to go when the door is continued to be pushed closed, but into its housing. That's the action that forces the bottom to drop. The drop bolt makes contact with the frame, and while the S series automatic door bottoms, which is an entry-level, quite standard duty automatic door bottom from Pemko, has a nylon tip provision in that bolt when it makes contact with the frame. This piece of, it's in fact steel, makes contact, the drop bolt makes contact with its nylon tip with the frame. Well, this is meant to be a strike plate. These 2 nails that will go in there will permit a situation by which the constant contact of the door being closed and the drop bolt hitting the frame, not creating a divot in the frame, is why that piece of equipment is included. With that door bottom, there's nothing else included other than this fastener package, if you have a dark bronze unit, and the door bottom itself. So it's a very simple and straightforward unit to install, and this client obviously needed a replacement screw package or hardware package for his unit. Pemko makes a variety of automatic door bottoms, both in caliber and application. They make standard caliber like the SA or the SA or SD series material. They will make mid-grade material. They'll make higher-end material in the sense that it'll be for a specific application. They have STC-rated material. They have material that's specifically intended for applications such as different flooring conditions with different inserts and different ways to apply them, whether they're mortised, fully mortised, or installed into a steel door, or they're surface mounted, or they're semi-recessed, things of that nature. If you have any questions on the Pemko, this is their part number KSA2D. This is a kit for automatic door bottom mortise, or any other Pemko product. Please feel free to reach out to us, and thank you.